Yeah, so you guys do pay state sales taxes there,
Oh
state.
yeah.
Now you can always get it recouped, and
Yep.
most all states you can get it recouped if you keep track. So you're not
Yep.
actually paying those sales taxes. You can get it back from the state, but
Exactly.
um,
Yeah, which I'm
regardless,
doing through 3P Mercury is able to track all that for me. I send that to my accountant at the end of the year, and they help me go over the numbers, and it seemed to work out pretty well.
yeah,
Barely had to
cool.
pay anything this year through my
Yeah,
expenses, which
it's
is
just yet
awesome.
another feature of 3P. We could feature dump all day.
Check out how easy it is to export all of this information to recoup your taxes, as our friend just talked about. Go to your purchase orders, go to filter, put in a date range that you want to get the purchase orders that you paid tax on, flip this over to yes, hit apply, and then just from the results, go ahead and export your attachments, export your POs. There you go. You got a whole spreadsheet with all of the taxes that you paid and all of the attachments that you can submit to the state and recoup your taxes.